Hey, welcome back all you beautiful car enthusiasts to another exciting video by MCL. And in this video, we are headed to the great state of Iowa. That's right, Iowa, where we will be at an event called Cruise to the Woods. It's kind of like a mini Hot Rod Powwr Tour, kinda, sorta. As you can see in the map here, there's 10 different legs to this little cruise. They all start at different areas in Iowa, and they all meet in a town called Fort Dodge. And I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description in case you guys want any more information about this event. All right, enough talking. Let's get at it. So we left Albert Lee this morning around, I believe, 5 o'clock. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. You're going to want to watch all the way to the end of this video to see who received the MCL t-shirt. You're not going to want to miss it. This is our first stop in Algona, Iowa. Quite a group here that we're hooking up with. And we're going to keep heading on south down to Stratford, where everybody will gather, and you're going to see a lot of cars down there. So let's go check out some of the stuff that's here right now. Well, stop number 3, we're in Humboldt, Iowa, at a Hy-Vee parking lot. We're connecting with a bunch more cars here. Gonna be heading out pretty soon, so the line just keeps growing.
What's going on, Mike?
made it to Stratford. This is our next stop on our little journey today. The town is population of less than 1,000 people, and it is packed. Every road is 4 wide, cars down every road. You can see all of them behind me here. It's this is just the tip of the iceberg. Once we get to Fort Dodge, it's going to be even bigger than this. It's going to be crazy. So.
He's already questioning the windows because it's frameless. So when you go to open it, it goes down.
Tim did.
Tim Harvey did.
As soon as you get to the
You walk by all zombie like they only got 10 hours of sleep.
He's like, I guess now he's just slow, huh? Okay, there was
I need to drive something different. Leather female.
Oh, they might. 64 times.
made it to our destination, Fort Dodge here, and there's already well over 1,000 cars, and they're still rolling in. You can see a lot of them behind me here. This part that they're putting it on, the Cruise of the Woods event, is literally packed full. There are cars everywhere, so many people, so much going on. Hope you guys liked the video. It's going to be possibly a two-part depending on how much I record, but there is a lot here, so enjoy.
We're glad to hear that. So I want to let you know about something that's very important here today. We have our CVMA, which is our Combat Veteran Motorcycle Riders. So they're doing 50-50 tickets. The gals will be around. They're wearing black vests, guys and gals. Stop and get a 50-50 ticket because the Combat Veteran Motorcycle Riders, they do so much. So support them and get a chance to win some money. And good things. We'll also do later on today a salute to our veterans. Those are great, and also the basic cruisers. We do have great folks in the crowd. We have Ross and Mark and his camping friends. They're going to do another humble show and shine with us at Mojo Productions. So thank you guys for coming. We appreciate you. And we also have Scott with Algona Cruising. So just a lot of people here. It's so nice. We've been to 53 car shows this year, and everybody that we've seen at those shows. So God bless you.
Corvette, followed by a 57 Ford. 57, Seymour 57 Chevy. Ford actually outsold Chevy in 57. So they were pretty popular. It was a little tough, like it's an old school 67 Chevelle.
How's it going, man?
Even the hatchback. That was the first year they no longer offer a hatchback. Mustang convertible. 5th gen Camaro behind that. Followed up by a 78 or 79 Mustang Combo. And one of the first years of 6-speed manual only. They're never available in an automatic. Convertible that they decided to give them on top, going in their GTO. Behind that. Cobra replica.
We're really getting a lot of these 70s.
Yeah.
This on to everybody make some noise for Calvin. He's in our AJ booth. He's buying license plates today. He's checking out the cars. This is what this show is about, is passed on to the next generation. So make a little noise for Calvin, young man. 8 years old, 62 Chevy Impala.
Here's another seldom seen car, Saturn Sky. They made them in the Pontiac Solstice on the same platform. But you
Hello, sir. Is this your truck? How long have you had this?
1973.
You've had this since 73?
Not looking like this.
Wow. So are you the only owner? Are you second owner?
Second owner.
Second owner. Wow, it's beautiful. How's it going today? Good. This your car here? It's beautiful.
Thank you.
How's it going? This is yours, I imagine, huh?
Yeah.
You're just sitting in somebody else's car, maybe. I don't know.
Nope, that's
No?
fine.
You do all the work onto it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Well, if you want to say Challenger or Mustang, Well, it panned out really well. BMW. Beautiful line. 7 Chevy pickup. Nice drop top Corvette. My favorite wheels on it.
How's it going, Day? Oh, 292?
No, it's got a 351 Windsor off a 70 or 71 Torino GT.
Yeah? So did you do all the work to it yourself?
No, this way I bought it 20 years ago.
20 years, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Suppose it's been in a few shows since then, huh?
What's that?
I'd say it's probably been in a few shows since then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And my father's got a 56 Ford Crown Victoria,
Oh, okay.
and then he also has a 56 convertible, so.
Yeah, see, this model of Parkland is to complement the Crown Victoria.
Oh, yeah, I see that now.
The other two-door wagons do not have this to do over the.
Oh, really?
over
So
the
only the park lane had, I see, okay.
They only made it 1 year.
1 year, huh? So 3 in the tree?
Nope, automatic.
Automatic, huh?
Came factory automatic.
Okay.
They're 292 originally.
Right, yeah. So what tranny's behind that?
C6.
C6, okay. Well, it's pretty cool.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Oh, it's getting hot.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Five, 6 years ago. And I got about this.
Tree right there you could sit under. Look at it. It's like twice as tall as I am. Well, next to you.
long have you had it?
About 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
You do any work to it, or you buy it that way?
I bought it this way.
Yeah.
Really haven't had to do much to it.
Probably had to put new tires on the back, I imagine, because
Yeah.
they're bald right after you bought it, right? So is this mostly original, the AC and everything?
Everything's original.
Everything's original now. Wow. And what's all been done to it? Has it been repainted? And
It was redone back in '05.
With its original color.
Always original.
original interior or color interior, and
It's all original. You can tell by the quarter panels on GMs because it has the stamping numbers here, there, and over here.
oh yeah,
So that was one of the requirements for me buying it. It had to be all original.
yeah.
This one here is, I think is what, 700? I bet. We ran out of room out there. You know me, I'm old. It doesn't matter.
Ridiculous. These Chevelles, they're really starting to grow on me. I'm more of a Ford guy, but some of these Chevelles are just sweet. Look at the 66 big block behind us here. Let's take a look at that one. Wait a minute. That's not a 396. LS swapped. It's been done really clean though. It looks really good. Like I said, these Chevelles are really starting to grow on me. '64 Chevelle Malibu. I love this blue color. Check out these wheels. Nice little clean small block in it, just a driver. Oh, you're all right. Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad, how are you?
Either this is your car or you're stealing stuff out of the back seat.
Both.
Which is both.
Yeah.
You're stealing your own stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His stuff.
Stealing his stuff. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, huh? How long have you had this?
2016.
2016, you did the LS swap and all that? Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks awesome.
They had to do a lot to it. They had like a, what was the thing with the fuel switch? Fuel switch. Fuel pump? Switch? Oh. Yeah, I got rid of that. I switched to fuel pump.
So, is this an original Yanko?
No.
It's not, huh?
No. It's a Tribute. Yep. It's originally a 6-cylinder car, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And you went from 6-cylinder directly to that, or did you do a small block?
It had a small block in it when I got it.
Oh, okay.
Small block and a 4-speed, and now it's an LS with a 6-speed.
Okay.
Got original 16-inch plates on it.
Yeah, I see a lot of guys who've been doing that lately. It's pretty cool. Boy, look at this sleeper. Wow, how cool is this? Got the split bench seat, AC under the dash. I like it, it's cool. Very cool.
One of the rounds did not feed up out of the magazine all the way. And so when the bolt hit it, the bullet diesel inside the cartridge casing. So the ejection port was still open, but the cartridge exploded. And the bullet
Is this your car?
out of the ejection port.
Okay. Is this your car?
Yeah. Just hard enough.
What year is this?
72.
72? Did you do all the work to it?
Yeah.
You did? Those guys helped
Couldn't
out.
have done it if I tried.
I love it, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Just ask him about that.
You just have to crawl through the window to get inside. No, I know, I'm just messing with you. How long have you had it?
I did the math the other day. I think it's actually kind of 9 years.
9 years, huh? How long did it take you from start to finish, or start until we see it now?
About 7.
About 7, yeah. Yeah.
a lot of years collecting parts. And
So do you think it's actually done, or is it?
No.
No, yeah. I get that answer from everybody. It'll never be done, right?
Chevelle bucket seats. I just took the headrests off of them.
Okay.
I like the low back look a little better than having the tall headrest on.
Yeah.
You know, originally the car was a bench seat car, bench seat column shift, so it didn't have any of that in it.
Was it a small block
Yeah.
when you got it? Was a small block car? Okay. First, I kind of wonder about this console. Is that out of something else and you had it rewrapped? That's a custom made, huh?
That's my hand build.
You built that, huh? Wow.
So I built the console and I built all the panels in the trunk, and then just took it to the upholstery guy and he upholstered them.
Okay. What's the motor out of?
The motor is a GM crate motor, so it's the connected cruise package. So it's engine and transmission, computer, wire harness, everything.
Oh,
comes
you
right,
got
comes
it.
right
You
from
know it's
GM.
gonna work
And it's
together.
already programmed. Coil covers are bought. Those are billet specialties.
Okay.
And they have a few different versions of those. I like the black. They have them in polished. I like the black theme kind of.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, I really do too.
And then you can get them, you know, with or without the Chevrolet script. But I love that little Chevrolet script in there.
And it's very clean. There's no wires. You don't see stuff hanging around.
So I put those on there, and you still had the fuel rails with all the injectors and the wiring for the injectors showing. So I made these. These are something I built.
You handmade those?
Yeah, that's just sheet metal rolled and then rubbed in for body work. Wow. Took the 12 bolt, narrowed it 2 inches on each side so that it could get all the tire to the inside of the car.
And you did all the work yourself
I
pretty
did
much, huh?
everything except sew the interior and put the glass in.
So how long did it take you from when you got the car to the way it looks now?
About 3 years.
3 years? Wow, that's that's pretty good.
I looked around, couldn't find anybody that made an air dam like that fit the shape of the bumper.
Yeah.
There was one out there that somebody sells that says fits a Nova, and it just kind of stops right here. It's just a little bow in it.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, that's not what I want. So I built it.
You handmade that too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Same with the one on the back.
Yeah, I seen the little one on the rear there too.
So the story behind that is I got the car all done. The car was all painted, and even when I aired it down, you still could see the silver fuel tank hanging below the
Oh, okay. And I've seen pretty close to every car here.
Yeah.
And yours is the only one I came back to.
Nice.
And yeah, so almost every event that I go to, I give somebody one of my shirts.
Alright.
So, and you are the lucky guy for the event.
Sounds good. Thank you.
So yeah, you want to hold
It's
that
a
up?
large. That'll even fit.
Yeah. You hold the back up to me there. Awesome.
Alright.
Cool.
Yeah, I pulled in and made
Even this roll up, that was 90.
Well, I think that's going to do it for this event. There's more cars than I could see in an afternoon anyway. Got a long drive ahead of us. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, do the subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, whatever. And thanks for watching. Check out my channel for more stuff. And we'll see you soon.